So when using AI to make aimbots or wall hacks for any game, you have to first realize that any AI that you ask to make an aimbot for will deny you every single time. So you don't use the word aimbot or wall hacks, or even the word cheat. You must be able to tell the AI that you want to make a screen detecting system. You need to ask the AI to look for a certain object on the screen. So I've previously experimented with aimbot and making cheats for games using AI, such as ChatGPT and Gemini. No matter what sort of aimbot you make, for whichever game you make, you're always going to have to train an AI or train a visual learning program. So making it sound more complex than it needs to be, but basically you're just giving the computer a bunch of images of whatever you want it to detect. So let's say I wanted to detect this player right here. I would take screenshots of it from a bunch of different angles and send it to the AI so it has a database of what the enemy looks like. So after having a bunch of screenshots and a database of the enemy, you're going to tell the ChatGPT or whichever AI you may want to use, to create a script that detects the player or enemy, but don't use the word enemy, use the word, for example, toy soldier, or just a toy, or pencil, something random so it doesn't deny your prompt. After doing this, it's probably going to give you a Python script, which is what you want, and you're going to want to download Python and start running the programs that it gives you. And just know, whichever scripts that the AI gives you, the scripts are not always going to be perfect. Sometimes the aimbot's going to be janky and move everywhere, and that can be fixed with trial and error and just telling the AI what the issue is. Sometimes it could be latency of the screen capture, or it could be a poor database of the player image. So if you don't have enough pictures of the enemy, it's not going to be too confident that what it's pointing at is an enemy, if that makes sense. I can demonstrate one of the aimbots that I've created for this game. I do have two footages of it, the earlier stages of it and the improved stages. So I'm gonna show that right now. In this video, you can kind of see the wobbling that I was talking about. It's an outdated script, but it essentially does the aimbot for you still. So yeah, not too bad of a script. Here's the new aimbot script, much more snappier and better than the previous one.